Hey, y'all, it's me back with another video. I almost forgot what my intro thing is. I was going to say, hey, me. We got a good one today. Mindfulness. Today is put your ear down close to your soul and listen hard. It says pause before answering the phone. Allow the telephone to ring 3 times before you reply so that you can become aware of your breath and speak from a centered and calm space. So don't just answer the phone and go off half-cocked. It says to let the phone ring. Let it ring a couple of times. You ain't got to answer on the first ring. You ain't just got to snatch the phone up. Hello! Let the phone ring. Especially if you know who it is and you know that the person on the other end is about that shit and you don't want to answer the phone in attack mode. You got to breathe and center yourself and then... hello. Let them go off and blah, 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 and you just like, okay, now how can I help you resolve this problem? Because I really want today to be a positive day. How can I help you? You know, you will throw somebody's whole entire game off if they coming at you crazy and you're like, okay. Yes, I'm so sorry that is happening to you today. How can I make it better? You will throw that whole thing off. Then they got to change their game up because you didn't change on them. Especially if you one of them people that give tip for tat. Usually if they call you and they going off, then you'll go off. But if you change the whole game, they call you and you're just... in this really monotone voice. Your voice is calm and you're centered. You can't help but draw them into where you are. Okay? Try it and see. So we're going to pull a card today. We're going to go from the Trust Your Vibes Oracle cards. Instead of doing the affirmations, we're going to do one of these today. So we're going to, I'm going to mix it up. I ain't going to do the same thing every day. But we are going to do mindfulness probably until we get out this book. Okay? I like it. And I think it looks like, some of the energy that I'm putting out into the YouTube universe seem like some of it is working. Because I think the fox did kind of calm down. I think some of the hens didn't realize that the fox is trying to kill them. And so they didn't figure out that, they got to take care of themselves. And that's what I want. I want everybody to be able to take care of themselves mentally, physically, and spiritually. Let's see what we have today. We have sound check. Check 1, 2. Let's see what the book says about it. Sound check. The more you pay attention to the energy around you, the quicker you activate your clairvoyance. The ability to tune in to your higher self, angels, and guides. With this awakening, however, comes more responsibility. As a newly developing 6th sensory being, just as your sensitivity levels are rising to intercept higher soul supporting frequencies, so too is your sensitivity to negative soul debilitating vibrations. So just as you are coming into yourself, you are receiving that awareness that you are a 6th sensory person, which means that you're using your spiritual gifts, other, not just taste, smell, sight, and all that. You're using your mind and your spiritual gifts. So when we are learning how to, reel in ourselves as sensory, spiritual beings, we have to know that, negativity is going to come our way. But just like the mindfulness said, we got to slow down and breathe, relax. We're not supposed to be on the same level as everybody else. If everybody else out here cussing and spitting and snarling and weeping and gnashing their teeth, we're not supposed to be doing that, because we're different. We are spiritual beings. We have realized that we are spiritual beings. We are different, and just like the Christians is supposed to be set apart, we're supposed to be set apart also. So when we see negative energy coming towards us, pow! We put that shield up, we put up our force field. We do that whole Wonder Woman thing. We can spin around and get out of any situation, because we are spiritual beings and we can do that. That's our powers. Activate your powers. Wonder Twin powers activate. Shape of a spiritualist. I just dated myself. If you don't know nothing about the Wonder Twins, why are you following me? You don't know who the Wonder Twins are? Okay, I'm finna go, because, I just ate this. Well, I didn't eat all of it, but I just ate these ginormous nachos, honey. And, they got my tank on extra full. Okay? So, take that and do what you want to do with it. And, I'll probably be back later. But I love you guys so much. And I'll talk to you later. Bye!